Robert Heffernan with Endotech, contributor to the Pareto Network, and I am a master endotechnician firmly in the matrix. This Blockchain Vitals is our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets, mostly price action, and a few other things. And the bear has regained, not the, hold on now, not the bears, but we got a bear market going on here, regaining a hold on this market. And I got a few ideas about what to look for confirmation of that. All is not lost yet. All is not lost yet if you're a holder on a next leg down, but it sure is shaping up a bit looking that way. But I'm going to cover that in the vitals. First, let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, I do it every day. My chance to talk a bit about things I'm seeing in the crypto sphere. And aside from headlines today, I wanted to bring up something. And I like to bring up something that I think is it's good for a frame of reference, especially when the market is trading lower and as this bear market seems to be regaining grip. And it's from a Twitter tweet that I saw 2 days ago, and I just wanted to bring it up for some perspective. All right, so here it is. And it was about Christmas, and the things that didn't exist for Christmas 15 years ago. Now, 15 years is a long time, obviously, but when you look at this list, it's just mind-boggling how the world has changed in 15 years. Right? I want to get you for Christmas in 2003 an iPhone. Oh, yeah, sorry, not there. You know what? Why don't we plan something on Facebook? Oh, yeah, Facebook not there. YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, iPad, Netflix streaming, Google Maps, Snapchat, Spotify, Android, Uber, Lyft, Alexa, Airbnb, App Store, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, Fitbit, Waze, Slack, Square, Dropbox, Pinterest, Venmo, Bitcoin, Hulu, Kindle, and a whole bunch of other things now in the past couple of years in the crypto space, not around, all right? And so for me, obviously, I'm trading these things, all right? I'm not trading these things. I'm not in the space trading them to lose money. But the price action is going to tell you what's going to happen with these things, and you can follow that. More importantly, though, is that the world is going to be incredibly different from a technology standpoint, because a lot of these things on this list can benefit, especially from a privacy standpoint, with the blockchain. So it'll be interesting to see how these things unfold. But I got to tell you, I'm excited for the future after seeing what the last 15 years has brought, because so many of these things I use pretty much on a daily basis. It's incredible how many of those things that, even if it's just, for a short period of time, or it's unbelievable how much all of these things have changed the general environment and people's daily lives, and that's going to continue. All right, listen, let's take the vitals, and let's do that, because we need to talk price action, and we need to talk potentials, especially, a couple of things here. First of all, let me get to where I'm supposed to be here, because it's not there. Excuse me. All right, let's bring up XRP, because I wanted to talk about that this week for the YouTube crowd. And Ethereum right now trading 114.17, 114.17. Not near that lower momentum level on the daily, which is healthy, right? That's still healthy. Unfortunately, 114.35 is the lower momentum level on the weekly that we're back below, and we're back below these lower momentum levels on the weekly in a bunch of these things. That being said, there's still a lot of trade left for this week, right? We got all Friday. We got Saturday and Sundays. Cryptos never sleep. They'll be trading them all weekend. So a lot of price discovery still awaiting for that weekly chart to be penciled in and finalized. So the other thing that this market has going for it is, the trend for the last several weeks has been up. Therefore, these lines, especially on the momentum modeling, have a positive slope to them. And so a penetration down to these levels, and we'll talk about it, that level on Bitcoin, which I think is very important to hold. We need to hold these things. If you want to be long, you need to hold these lower momentum levels, all right? With that positive slope on them. For me, one of the great places to enter a buy on a longer-term chart is an upward sloping momentum line that you're coming back to retest. So 91.12 in Ethereum, a great level to be taking profits for sure if you're an alpha and you're short. As we regain this lower momentum area on the weekly, the other thing you have to be cognizant of, and it's is the potential on that weekly chart, right? And that's down to $18.25 in Ethereum, which would be a complete melting. And you would see, I think, a lot more ICOs that were funded in Ethereum that have not covered just closed their doors. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing with the Ethereum. Let's cover some more of these on the sheet. In order to do that, you need to be an Endotech subscriber, so please subscribe at Endotech. And see you later, YouTube crowd.